Video, I'm gonna show you how to solder the control board. That it has a cold soldering right there. This pin to all the way to the right. So we're gonna get that fixed. That's why it wasn't working properly. I'm gonna heat up the soldering iron, let it warm up. Got the fume extractor. So when you're soldering, you wanna turn that on. And we're gonna start soldering. All right here we're gonna start soldering that connector right there. See if I can get a better angle. What you gotta do is you gotta heat up one side with the soldering iron. Heat up one side, and then by the other side you use the solder so it could stick. Just go ahead and do it. Right there, heat it up on this side. And guys, I'm trying to do this with the camera so I can record for you, but it's not easy doing it like this, but we're gonna get it done. Let it get heat up. That way the solder could flow through. Heat it up. I'm gonna do the other side. You gotta have patience with this. And there you go. We got the connector soldered. Now we just gotta let it cool down and put it back in the oven. This video helped you and you're able to get your control board repaired. Just drop a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell button below for more appliance repair tips.